Hey everyone. In the last video, I talked about my journey as a software developer, how I have given multiple interviews and still don't know DSA. It's been a known unknown for me, something I have consistently avoided. Now I do believe that DSA rounds in startups will slowly and slowly disappear. The industry is shifting and interviews are more focused on real world problem solving rather than theoretical coding challenges. But then you might ask, if DSA isn't important, why am I learning it? I'll give you the answer to why I think DSA interviews will decline. The answer lies in AI. AI has evolved to the point where it can suggest optimized solutions and algorithms, something engineers previously had to figure out manually. Companies, especially startups, care more about how quickly you can build and solve a real world problem. That's why I think that future belongs to product engineers. People who can architect solutions, build scalable systems, and deliver quick value. Now, don't get me wrong. I'm not saying you should not learn DSA. I'm saying its role is shifting. Then why I am learning DSA? For the longest time, I justified avoiding DSA by saying I don't need it for my job. And that's true so far. I haven't needed it. But I can't remember the last time I pushed myself beyond my daily work. The last real challenge I took on was getting my first job, coming through a tier 3 college. And that struggle, the late nights, the frustration, the breakthrough, it made me a better engineer. But here's the problem, I've been too comfortable. It's been 4 years now since then, and I don't want to stagnate. That's one of the reasons I started this YouTube channel. Not for money, but to push myself. Try something different and document my journey along the way. And now, learning DSA is my next challenge. It's not just about getting better at algorithms, it's about breaking free from this mental block, this comfort zone that I've settled into. I know I'm not alone in this. Many of you might have something you have been putting off. Maybe it's learning a new skill, switching jobs, starting a side project, or just doing something to break out of routine. So here's my challenge to you. What's your known unknown? The thing that you know you should do, but keep avoiding. For me, it's DSA. For you, it might be something else. But whatever it is, start today. Because the only thing holding us back is ourselves. So, yes, that's it for this video. I hope that you are able to achieve whatever you wish. If you want to know more about my journey, I've discussed this in the previous video. You can check it out here. Until then, keep coding, keep improving yourselves. That's what I'm trying to do here. And see you soon in the next video. Bye bye.